Hey guys, this is Big Ben here, Camping World with Gander RV, and today I'm going to do auto leveling on this awesome 2023 Keystone Cougar. It's a travel trailer. Most of the time they don't have the auto leveling, but this one does, so let's go through that process so you can see what it's all about. So in this front storage compartment here, the passenger storage, you can see up there, that's our pad. We'll turn it on. Okay. Make sure everything's ready to go, and it is. Hit auto level. Okay, it's starting to go. You can see it's reading out. And underneath. Right there. And you got two of those in the back. You can see they have the bigger gears, so it's not the stabilizers, it's the auto leveling. I know this is riveting, right? It's cool. You don't want to be moving around inside the camper or anything when it's doing this because it is very sensitive. And up here, we'll see what's saying on the screen. It's still doing it, doing its thing. Remain still, front right. And at the end, it will say success. I think that it's done. It didn't say success on there, but oh no, it's still going. Now it's doing the rear. You can kind of see down here. There they are. Those are a different type. Those are straight down. Now we go back up front and check the screen. And it says remain still. That's saying that the right side is a little bit off. Remain still. Left side. And analyzing. No, now it's right. Analyzing. Oh, now it's the front. Analyzing. Now it's the front again. Success! And there you go. We have auto leveled the travel trailer, this Cougar, nice big one. Real easy, simple. Now it's ready to go. Wait. What's it doing? Oh. Verifying. Let's see. I thought it said success. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's level. There you go.